Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 asks you to find two numbers that are related. It says a larger number is 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. Their sum is 11. Find the two numbers. So while these problems might seem confusing, what we're going to do is we're going to break it into two steps. And both steps actually involved translation, like we worked on in the first few problems. The first step is to translate in order to find the numbers that we're looking for, what's called defining the variables or defining the unknowns. The second step is to use translation to write the equation. So let's look at the first sentence. A larger number is 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. So I have two numbers that I'm looking for, and they are related to one another, a smaller number and a larger number. I'm going to call the smaller number x. That's usually the easy part. You're always going to define one of the unknowns as x. Now we're going to translate to find the larger number. So it says a larger number is 5 less than 3 times the smaller number. So we see the word than, which means we already know that's going to switch the positions from words to symbols, and it says 3 times the smaller number, which we called x. So that's going to be 3 times x, and 5 less would be minus 5. So I used translation to write an expression for each of the unknowns. Now I'm going to use translation to write the equation. This is the sentence. Their sum, meaning the smaller number plus the larger number, is 11. So the smaller number x plus the larger number 3x minus 5 is 11. So I found my is, which is the equal sign. The left side is the sum, which means we're adding them together, and the right side is 11. So now I'm just going to solve. First I'll combine like terms. 4x minus 5 equals 11. Now I'm down to a two-step. Add 5 to both sides and divide by 4. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 plus 4x is 4x. 11 plus 5 is 16. We'll divide both sides by 4 in order to make the coefficient equal to 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1x, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So x would equal 4, which means my smaller number will equal 4. My larger number will be 3 times 4 minus 5, or 12 minus 5, which would equal 7. So the smaller number is 4, and the larger number is 7.